Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye. Hello. Me one jo mo igwe una wa je boya vi orin ame. Toi viens fermer la porte. A call if you were na yi. Hello jomo ione gwan. Okle ne nu gwan.
Me gugwe.
Rime na rime.
Me bege wele keni me jere dian. E fesi me bege. We bege me mo.
Me bege ugwe na. Ai me na hina.
Ubege me bege me bege ugwe.
Ide na go regbe dale. Wala ijo more do inia. Wa ya fe ni re program na no bi aro we derio. No bi aro we derio. Wa ya la wowo na aja boy. Oh baby. Hello, Jomo Wegwan. What? Oh, you're nice. Daniel. Jomo, me Daniel, no Gwan. Jomo. Igwe edere ojo mo bebe nu aje o yo kan na o kolifia mo bebe nu ya ye bo ku orin ave
Igwe nu ga dede gui men the spirit me da aje no egui
igwe
nu ga gui opa magbaki egui ile tami no we no gege gui
wa wa na we tie pa we call it pa won Epa mo phone we. Me a finish in ba na me atie. O mo o yin o wa mo pa.
Imaro bie pa. Ima be pa gwan le na gwan. Emily tell. Doris, bring my big phone. Or stop am for there.
Yon.
Phone me not by, no. Ima be pa, ima gwan le na gwan. Ima robie pa. Omani robie on your way. Keke enogi. Enogi o de 12 o'clock is that here. Wale ka we again na me go ma jemi no ure. My spirit was so very high. And I need to go down without not receiving any more calls. Or say now with periods in now, I might receive anybody call, even the phone measure. I need to come out from the spirit world first. You understand? So he got over here where he went to la honu gui. When the spirit me that je there your age no.
Am I there wedding? Saloba mi ni no sunu da we na we regbe sunu da we ni Jesu.
Emiro pamasu no dame, a spirit word ilao. Osie. And Louis de call. Ide. Emi ide FTN call. For that comment. Chicken.
Okay, evil spirit in here. Evil spirit in here. Only one spirit in a walla will go no Robia ya can ever bunu Robia. Robia pa. What check the wall where the video is there. Robia pa. Megavenuta. That was spirit in a waniki. Nana megwe the spirit wa like be on was one Robia Moyaka. Lan wa egwi wa hagi uwe. Ario bog o yohana uti o mama fia. Ario bog bera lao. Bad spirit no na. Yohana u calling u beg we fia. Bad spirit no. So although him ya na isi ahon ibe kan me go. One even me the video no we are fisad. No we are ta women again na we de more do him ya na waja boy. Wa gwi wala wo waja boy. Won even me ba me ya ni mi e no ka vie wa gwi. Wala nu wa forgive. Me be de ba be do him wa. Won nu wala o. O ma dem no ka wi ba wata wi yin ni ga wo gota. O ma mi o ko wa mi nu ko ka gwa na wa do so sha ni no ya me ma mi nu ka o. Nu wala wo wala wa gwi wa ya fe. Ido de ba e do yin mi wa. Won hello, Jamo, So, all he may problem when you hear me ba me when you agree one, cause see your girl wa fi sad.
If you bowe, if you member we, who no you me
Ofan we mai mi me when you ya.
If you member we mudiana na katane. You guys if you member we, why have we because utama na gu he wearing never.
We come if you me ba when you agree. Utam, well, I will when you agree.
If we guys member.
You do I whatever Jamo. Ya ewe. Come here when you agree.
Okay, we live video.
Me live video.
Ide. Ni plug it for me. If you member, if you saltandwaterministry, Obomena is salty. Only Obomena Emina sea salt email woman was wala ho. Wage gwibeni jagwiju wagwan. Wajabome.
Ama ofo wese. Osaloba wese. Won ko.
Osaloba wese. Tama emina nanu tama baba na we emi no sunu da lederio. Eri like we spirit word. Eri ojo gbeso. O mana me ebo no kwa na gelele lo ma di agbon. Eri ojo gbeso.
Jamo umebo, claim ebo. Won claim ebo.
A problem.
Hello.
Uga manare live video setting calling
Oma yon.
Uga dey free.
Oma yati we.
Live video.
Yati we. Oma. Okay. Bye bye yo.
Bye bye.
uwa ya ma o. Wa no relani na. So why forgive her won? Usaloba wese. Because even agmote o eji. Eri o do deji. Wa ya forgive her wala wo. When me forgive yene. Wa mi miss call no riye me. Na takere. But no ke call me si maro we got appointment. So why ya ma? Osawese we dagmo ma ya fefefe. Enika wese. She talk well today. Wa forgive her won. Wa gaja boy. Saluba wese we iri obese. Nika wese. Ilafi na ya meke na muerie. O ma nerun we no we no mawagmo. For me we gena me mo body gena ye na na mu agbon nya ho. Wa we mi no ri ogogo nu e. We ko la wa. Wa ya wese wa na forgive her wa ama. Si ave on we kan me go won. E ma ni ke no we do ba e wa la o. Wa no we do mi o. Mi akole pa we pa epike ko. Ya akole pa na imi pa. Won ojo mo do watch me. Na imi pa. We sote pa, we soto rien. The video ro me mi o. We o rien la lo kan we. Eruwe tamame o. Eruwe tamame o. Wagige imebe giese ke ni wajo wo wiwa yakpa wa ni re. O wiwa yakpa ye ke ni jore. Ijo salo vogie o. No go. Ijo God. It is well. It is well. No saka e o de. No saka e be dagbe ma o kan ase. No pe akai. No bokai. No he kai. Ni Jesu Christi no do mi ma fa kai. O kan ase be dagbe ma. O saloboa o nyatin. O merati no ya kanso emi no ma like begbe we. Kemi no ma really like be dagmo. O merati no ya kanso e. Anything no gbe we go. O merati no ya kanso e. Anything no gija we feel sad. O merati no ya kanso e. Any ose no bere we e fon e ma bo we. O merati no ya kanso e. Wọ́n me ni kai na. Wa le boyfriend di tankin una e we boyfriend di ni ma. O merati no ya kanso e. We be ezo with prayer. Wa bi ale loko ki ona ge ko ni we ma. O we me right no ya cancel e brother. Ezo e prayer no. Wa be ge wo wa be turn asada. Ezo a be so are wo wa o we mo yerun. E ri agbon ya live ba be ge na. Wa be ge go me be ni ya ibe ji o wa be like prayer. Wa be declare prayer na egbe we. E ko ne sudo total yo wa we. O mo ro pa me right be life we. E dagmo we robe managbon robi Jesu no do wujo korima bi mate agbon na mama fi ebore mama mo sisire mama mo kore emi no ma osalo baji maji egbera me ogogo efe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ okwu o saloba viole lima diagmo o saloba mamu dobo le lima o mamu kwezo le lima mamu kwemi amele lima mamu accident le lima kemi no riji bi ya jukpo ne ku Jesu Christ mamu le lima o wi ze se phone o wi wa ahia ihere dogu jo ko gugwa o konu wa ate you know akma we Jesus Christ marry image gele ke magbe ma evedene na date Jesus Christ manari ima ihe magbe mai ma ya suffer o dane Jesus je ba nu paje e ba nu gogo je ba ni mi fanje e ba ni alawo da oje we mama e on sa we a oge bogele e po me bo e bo pagele gbe un tani no ga ti orin ame orin oba yen bo akagbe because yo ga je ma won me yo ga je ma we bo yo ga mu won e tata o ọmọ ọkọ wàrà kàrà bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ gbọ́nà kẹ́kẹ́ nà ẹ̀bọ̀ ká gbé ẹ̀bọ̀ má gbẹ́ ẹ̀bọ̀ má ìbánu wà náà ẹ̀wẹ̀ I don't believe of ẹ̀bọ̀ ọmọ náà ká lákẹ́ bọ́ bà mẹ́ ẹ̀rọ there is a time yìí tó ta iná wọ́n yìí jẹ́ igi ẹ̀bọ̀ yà ní gẹ́bọ̀ náà wẹ́ làgò dá òwe bẹ̀ rọ ẹ̀bọ̀ yà ní wà gẹ́bọ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀ ní kéré ọ̀sálọ́bọ̀ pẹ́ẹ́bẹ̀ ní ìbí yẹn yàrá ìbà ẹ̀bẹ̀ dẹ́nẹ́ náà. Nori ivye no ladosa noro ni emono mai ni man ladosa ni religion ya kwebo they are all in bondage. A prayer wa wina the ame women we are baptized gbe we wo wa we kamo saloba we wu noro we gbe na no balo we gbe na wu kie mukwa oga penu ke gwalu mama gbon mami kamo saloba we e wu se na e wu na ya gwale bi na so mabo idoja me women na ya pe ya kwa amemume oru weze e ofigbo muwe e rebume ayo bume e isabume o isabame amebume aya kwebu weze emi daru weze o iwo ami ewu weze ami eyin ewu weze ami arubara wu weze ami osisi wu weze emi no ma oru weze to ba wanneru nu ya kwe igo na amu gesu osa we yara ibai omo temo pa igo no ya kwakwe bo we to sinye ya bowa a later why do ya rule like church it's too late but o ma ye late no da we na ya yore o wi ani ma osaloba we mi ya no when ma to bi ma lo de but o wo de ni eta mi ma yo to o salaba na gwenu we adi agmona daba na gwenu we adi agmona so o ma na gwenu we adi agmona o ka kenu ga tota be kenu jeba we daba no gele gime ni mi adi agmona ari me ga adi agmona anyari ona ni lo so daba ni o ka kenu la lo daba ni e lo do o do we no meke na mo fu megbe no meke na gogo meke na ebe keni wa we na e ne mi ya meke na asu ya e de nu e ele lo dewe lo dera because era keri o adi agbon na we se we phone o we problem we ya we emu ya solve ne o wa logo ma no ro we gbo we ya hin ne mose o we emu we gbera na we nu we ma fi ma o we so papa ni mari o ni e bebe ni eta le lo dosa Veni merite lake boss e me ite mu go me ya webo iwa gege wa we webo zogo yame bet se mi ro pare ba iwa mie na mie e mi ro pare ba kwa ge mo ro pa disivu wa venu ri aji e be ge na o saloba ga reje lafi we nu agbon ya manage iya no sabe wu na gewu ni ya o ga be wo gwe be nu e u ga gele mo ti nya osa odo sa na mi pa odo sa na mi gogo odo sa na mi alago tawo ni ala jan ve program na me be go vie me ba mo pa don ye ni ti jobo no real live video ma be esunu o be ni me be je iwi ni ti jobo ni ya imi ma be esunu but there are many people na go sa ya ni ti jobo live video ma be o wu jobo ni ya Allah go down very well better lag yeke Oga osalo banya gaban, osalo ba vie magmo ovioke. Ovie monitor ma ovioke. Ovie monigwa ma vie ovioke. Bete su verio. Oru okparo no ma ewo dosa o ukpaje. Odosa ukpaje. Yeah, I get so let me forget about those things. Odosa age. I will continue to say it. It's a webo. I have you one joma. Oh, one homa. A joma. Masuwe poti me akadai. Upon all the juju one homa. It's a lie. Those things not lie. It's a lie. Why get up about this civil war? You can work for God. Don't work for juju. Anybody can work for God. Anybody can preach the word of God. Anybody can pray to each other. You can pray. You can pray for me. You can preach for me. It's not compulsory you must be a pastor before you preach. It's not compulsory you must be a pastor before you pray for your labor. You have right to pray for me. You have right to preach the word of God to me. There a message you read me. A spirit when man connect to that person, this message of that person go nowhere in your brain. Then in my preaching now, a spirit when man connect with my spirit, my preaching will not enter your brain. Thousands of people all over the world do what man and way. Ever yani preach, oh yeah, my spirit way. There are so many people that don't like my preaching. But many people, they cry, iyore, and then what? Because why? Your spirit connects with my spirit. That is the reason why my message or ring give everywhere. Wanibuya webi. I have an imagine message me ya webi. Those are the people the spirit me walking out ba. Oh, when it can ya go say akwe, then can never take my message. The same thing with a teacher. A teacher sort of no man. Oh, my wife by school only here baby na here. But me man, do you know why? Because a spirit me walking out ba. Umana la koma uwe la kemi no u. Umana la koma uwe la kemi no taladian unu. For those where a message you don't go me no umana kime aka my own message enter your brain. Umana la kime message la werere. My message belongs to those who love me, even if they are not talking to me. Even if they don't come to my home, even if I've never seen them before. Because when you love somebody, you will love everything about that person. But not really am with Beo, who you will like only my canwe. But do my lack can you come in no money you no jawero? Oga jukmo who were Jona. Oga tolongo who were terre magba. Oga wavy who were bring nowhere. Oga we not my only beggar, eh? I don't like her. Yes, it's normal. So if you know, say you they follow me, nothing you don't achieve. I want to tell you today, say your spirit and my spirit are not connected. We not they connect. So there is no amount of a prayer no I pray. No I not like him. Eh? Don't even manage me. You don't need to manage me. Oh. Those not give a testimony. Well, mommy, your message changed me. Those are the people that love me. They love me. Because you can love them all go. I can't we have here. You can love them when I'm here. That 2 days who feel sad. You can love them when I'm with Yara. You will still pity that person. You can love them when that working. You can love them when I'm who can love my message will change those who love me. Not be people who don't love me. Also with you. If I love you, your message will change me. If I don't love you, anything when they talk all son of me, even only damn you. So if any of your person, they tell you, say, she or him not love iyore, it's normal. We don't have the same spirit. It's not going to work. Until that spirit come into our body or his body before you cannot say, he like him in Ijuwa Hune. Me megeri oje, what do like it? You see, he what do like it, Jore? He might take a like it before. They don't not like him, and they all do like a preaching. And anything, or remember a preacher just because a love him or a heart in it. Oh, mommy, just regulate on him. But if you don't like me, my word will never change you. Oh, honey, double we saying wherever we go. Oh, honey, double salmon when we ya neru we tikos. Ya we no ma gear. You will always commonize everything about me because you don't love me. So anybody no man love you, we're the same thing with you. There is no amount of money no ariene no ya wuya. There is no amount of help no help money no na wuya. Eva no jesere eva ne spirit or deconnect. Oma no we say na spirit or na deconnect with us omani ogbo yese. Ugarigo no ma borrow yo mani wo gwe mana okpa ogbo yese. Ugarioma yo wa yo mani wo gwe mana okpa ogbo yese. Kemi no really uno man wabo eme yokpa no wabe spirit wa makone almost to cause a problem. That is the reason why some people will say when you know so you say because you people was not the same. A pretend there is no real love. It's true. Pretend no. Because there are many relationships, they pretend. They don't love themselves. Even some marriage, a lot of marriage, they don't love themselves. But they pretend to be together. They don't have the same spirit. When you have the same spirit with that person, you will not quarrel in your marriage. Even boyfriend and girlfriend who will agree. What double agree? I take it 2 seconds or before. We are double agree. We're not married. We can love. We're so we're break away. In spiritual vana they connect. Or matter of my setting guayo. Anybody not even guayo why you there? I don't want why you na. Because a spiritual wife they connect. We're not understanding me. A spiritual wife they connect. You people will never understand each other. Very powerful message. If you believe, follow this message. So, and if you not like me, my message not going to sweet you. No. Not even pretend to stand and waste your time. Well, dislike me. And that's how it happened to me too. If I don't like you, if I see you for Facebook, I don't spend 2 seconds to watch you. I will hate everything about you. And the guy will tell you, just because I don't love you, I will hate the thing. I want to demon talk more, he will hate it. I want to beg it again, he will hate it because he might like you, he might love you. I want to see the highest go DJ, he will ma, he will about Jonah. So those are the things no sunu diamond in boom now. What happened? We majority why yeah. Well, I'm going to because she don't like me. Him or she, they don't like me. Eh, my one majority why I wanna be. No. We are gonna work bigger. If she don't like me, if she like me, she not gonna tell you so. We are gonna work bigger. She could even they happy. You could they give her joy. Because somebody when you like, if that person they smile, you too go they smile. Somebody when you love, if that person they celebrate, you too go still they celebrate. You can never wish your best to cry. Someone you love, you can't even bear her for 1 week if you not see that person. It may be your honorary friend, it may be your husband, it may be your boyfriend. Because una two spirits, they chop. Every minute, it matter go the entire mind because una they connected. So understand this message, it will help you a lot. Okay? If you don't like me, I beg you in the name of God, don't even come to Salt and Water Ministry. If not so, now every time you go to carry a dick because of my matter, because you don't like me. So as you don't like me, you need to throw away your face. Anything that I'm doing, don't let it be your problem. Don't let it concern you. So that you can get yourself, you can enjoy this world without pain. Anybody where you not like, run away from that person. You don't need to monitor that person. You don't need to even care what that person they do, how it they live in life. Throw away your face. Emma tatama when I'm more away for. So that we can enjoy hearty way. That a lot of people man like come betu e dey agbe wa agwalo toto here. Man like come better every day who je Facebook or ya check eh. Man like come every time wa real live video okay. Man like come better ami dokpa nu tem okay. The meaning of that thing is jealousy. Umana la come na tem okay too jealous eh. Umana la come una come la zemi si no too jealous eh. Yes. Too jealous eh. E mata watamu wana. Ya to tanu a message na. Me malak we bia gwa lo bekenuje. Where me o no e ba normal lea e mi normal like ori e ki o wa mudia ke to fia wa. Ya wa bega we me malak no wa kiakpa. The same thing with human being, human be like. Kiakpa nye ke no jere. Uga gwa re marriage u magila ke ikpa. Uga gwa re sin we no malak ikpa. If not so, there is no joy in your life. You will begin to feel sad. Begin to, that is, also, I don't even mental problem. Oh, what ere hioma. Oh, na what ere hioma. Oh, piana vi agogo we marriage oge. Oh, piani re hioma. Oh, me go, ere hioma. A piece of sego. Una nego na me peace. Ologo ake bege gbo ebu me wanera. So ni maya ka de peace jive life ma. Emi no ke gari for me o. Umego me peace on your life. Umomo me peace on your life. Ume mansion me peace on your life. Some people need to go and have peace with so many people not awebo. Afu fame or gege or discriminate peace. You know what I mean? Discriminate. Ufeme gege na. Rushy life. I want to make it under 1 year. Or administrate way. And dog administrate way ne. Udo aje bo man we talo here the streets. Yes. Ufeme gege na. Oda woman ya lacking na ma hwan. Believe it or not. So aqua my live video. There is no live video today. I need rest. I just want to drop this a little bit message while they enjoy. So God bless everybody. God bless you. If you don't like me, please don't come here to watch me. Anything needed. I want to watch a video. Me go where doge o ijo worry off wa. The offer. Umana la koma is not compulsory must to mweswa o. Uga mweswa o worry abe. Temato salobwa. Uga attack baby no worry abe. Because amamu we any position. Ama register we any position na we or a position on why attack koma. No. We are living in a country of a law. If anybody does wrong thing, there is police station, there is a court. We can go. Attacking me without nobody saying you where or wrong. The alpha baby you. Ni kumi kenato. Nuga do mwe here. Anything no matter the woman la komani. The alpha nuga do mwe here. Ege ga bunk baby life na. Aje ba no waste time. They will no enjoy. Ukiyo bi akuyo. Ukionge dogbonuje. Demi nugu enjoy. So, we're going to make a video now. Anything no magwal of a life you wear. Now you say you not like that girl, but every day, brother, we feel with Facebook okay? Oh, no man lucky. Ugajo woman, mama, ya rovio, or ya commonize, or ya gossip, eh? And we know what almost to dig boy because war wrong. Oh, man, no man like, you to gossip, eh? Oh, man, no man like, wa give no joy. Oh, man, no man like. What are you the right judge? No saloba gele la diagbon. Or you are the right judge, the governor gele la dia. Or you are the right judge, the police mwekesiwa ivagi. If you are not, you are the problem of yourself. Anything no man really tamawe. Or you we wame o, or you we one another way, or we knock bao. You are the cause of your problem. A Francis where anybody no more igbina boma diowa or mani merati no ya mere nyamani cause you get at the same thing with you. If you no man like our water when woman wasted time. Wa vati je we no like come on no ukmonoa imoto mani dear we are enjoy oh give you happiness. I thought having no we are me big bona mana. Because you people have the same spirit.
Okay, my amazing people, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to comment down below. Tell us how you see the video and also share this video. Like this video. Thank you all. I really do appreciate and bye.